Oh my god, it's me again with my nan. Hi! Again. And Firkin, which is about to have a wee again. So, today we're going on a bigger walk. I don't really know where we're going. Well, I do, but I don't, but I do.
By the Kennet and Avon Canal.
There! That's where we're going. Yep. Okay, so we've walked on a bit and my nan says we're about a mile off the canal. So yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah, it's starting to rain a bit, so sorry if any water gets on the lens, but can't really help that, so just deal with it. Update, I've got a hood up now. Yay! And
Comes the rain.
yeah. It's time for rain to get wet and a load of misery and sadness and yeah. Okay, so we are here now. There's a roundabout there and that's loads of fun. We just came from over that way and we're going this way. Yeah, great information.
Salisbury Plain in the background.
There you go. There's a car coming. Meow. Brum brum. Yeah. Yeah. Lots of fun. My nan told me to show you that sign.
Because that's where we're going.
Because that's where we're going. Okay, so that time lapse you just saw, I've actually cut some out of it out the end. I'll put what actually happened on the screen now. So as you can see, the camera wouldn't stop recording. So there's me and my nan just stood next to each other trying to figure it out. Ends up I had to take my whole case off to change the battery, well not change the battery, take the battery out so it stopped recording because they wouldn't let me press the record button or turn it off. And then I had to put the battery back in and put it back on this handle I've got on. And yeah, let's hope it works now. So that was our life, innit?
Absolutely.
Low key, that was like 5 minutes just trying to fix it, but it's sorted now and we've gave the lens a wipe so don't get really dirty because it had a load of fingerprints on it from when we were trying to fix it. So yeah, we're continuing this way now, down to the canal. Right, what we've discovered is I say okay at the start of every single clip, so that's cool. So right, this, we figured out this is a really long road and we've got years of walking to go. Yep, totally years of walking to go. It's that time of the video again where I tell you to like and subscribe because I think you should, to be honest. Good decisions.
Signpost.
Signpost. The new tarmac ended, so now it's all like hibbity hoppity bobbity boo.
They've got a camera there now.
What?
They've got a surveillance camera there.
Oh dear, I'm gonna get in trouble for filming private property. No, I'm joking. Okay, my nan said we're almost at the canal. That's a lot of fun.
So you just down the hill. Because obviously it's got to be in the bottom of the hill because otherwise it wouldn't run, would it? Sorry, Kirsten. You can go off in a minute.
So, yeah, we're almost there. Then I'll get some shots. Very nice. Very nice. There's the canal down there. Not sure if you saw it or not, but down there.
Yeah.
We'll just get a shot off this bridge. Stand up here. There we go. How lovely is that?
And this side?
And this side, sure.
This is the way we're going to go. We're going to go under the bridge and go this way.
There we go.
No ducks.
No what? Oh. Yeah. Cool.
Oh, sorry.
My nan just knocked the camera with that. Are you alright, guys? Yeah, we're fine.
Down here.
Not sure if you saw that, but now we're heading down there to the canal.
Oh, Brownie Cannon's a bit muddy here.
Oh my god, look at that. Oh god.
It's right on the edge.
Yeah. Oh,
Near to the bridge.
oh, we were on top
Sorry.
of that a minute ago. There we go. Very nice. Hello. Way. Lots of fun. So yeah, now we're walking down the side of the canal.
Donna leaves me and I just catch up in my own time.
We're on about they ride their bikes down there, and she's a bit scared because she thinks she's going to deck it in there. There's a boat. We did just go past one down there, but to be honest, I don't really look very pretty. This one looks a bit better. There we go. What else we got? See? What's up? Another one?
Oh, you just hold on that mud.
That's fine. That looks cosy, doesn't it? Imagine if there's actually like people in there just sleeping.
Yeah.
Wake up, guys! Another boat.
I'm trying to have a Saturday morning lion.
Yeah. Use this one.
Water.
Do another one. Let me know in the comments what boat's your favourite.
There's one more.
One more.
Big
This
paddle
one.
cannon.
Big puddle. Oh, goodness. And there's one more.
Boat coming back.
Yeah, it sounds like it, doesn't it? Might be a boat coming down there. In a puddle. Be a cool thing. Maybe I'll honk his horn at me.
Oh, unless it's this one turned on.
Oh. Yeah, this one's, yeah, that is coming for this one, isn't it?
Yeah.
There we go, we'll film that.
Keeping on.
Yeah, that is, yeah, it's coming from there. We're waking up, I think.
Oh, another big paddle.
And yeah. Another puddle. So, yeah, this is like you like it, isn't it? With all of us grown up so you don't fall in it. So yeah, I'm going to keep on heading along there. So yeah, really fun. There we go, going this way. I've just realised there's a massive blob on the lens, or is that on my screen? No, that's on the lens. I'll sort that out in a minute. Sorry about that. So yeah, heading down this way now. See if I can get that one. Oh, we've got a wipe, have we? Give you guys a wipe. There you go. Let's see.
Done?
I can't tell if it's on my screen or if it's on the lens. Hold on, we'll sort you out in a minute. Okay, we think we've sorted you out. Sorry if we haven't, but we can't see anything else. No, I think we've sorted you out. Okay. Water, obviously.
Oh, smoke coming from this one.
Ah?
A bit of smoke coming from this one.
Oh yeah. Oh, this is very like. There we go. There we go. Another boat. Some bikes just casually on top. And yeah. Very nice. What's the name of this canal so we can tell them?
And it's an Avon.
An Avon?
Yeah.
Okay, that's where we are.
Kennett's an Avon.
Okay, What?
Kennet.
Okay, that.
Kennet and Avon.
Okay, that's where we are. There's another boat coming up. I was waiting for one to come down here now.
I know, we don't move very often.
No, I don't think one will come down this time morning. What's the time?
10.
Yeah, right. More bikes, just casually just on the top. And yeah, I'll keep you updated when we get a bit further down here. Okay, here we go. Another boat here.
Bird on the front.
So they're very low down, aren't they? I mean, you think it goes all the way down there. So I think when you're in it, it'll be alright, but...
The bank isn't it,
yeah. And there you go. So let me know in the comments what one of them boats are your favourite. Might be another one down there. If there is, I'll show you it. But yeah. There we go. Got some boats.
There's a big splashy puddle.
Big splashy puddle. Shall I jump in it? No.
No! You haven't got your waders.
Look at that. I'll tell you what, I'm going to make the lens a bit wider and get a shot of these boats. There we go, I've put my ultra wide lens on now. So this is as wide as it goes, so yeah. So yeah, got some more boats here. Put the lens back in a bit now.
Yeah, can you see the white bridge there, the white railings?
Yeah, you see that bridge over there, that's where we're going. So we're going to come off. That blue boat's nice there. Charlie would like that. I like this one as well. Got all these boats. That's a nice shot. So yeah. I'll let you know when we're a bit further down. Okay, we're about to go up that bridge, but I'm not going to film on there because there's people up there, so I'll see you on the other side. Okay, I'm going to film this side. There we go. What do you think of that then? Look down. You scared of that?
Getting better.
Yeah, she's scared of heights. There we go, right. Here now. Nan didn't realise I was about to start recording, so she's gone ahead.
Just the size of that camper thing.
Yeah, that is quite big. Look at that one. Imagine staying in that, you feel like you're in like a house.
Yeah, it's one of those where the sides come out, isn't it?
Yeah. So we've came from all the way over there, and we are heading down here somewhere now. Splits off in a few directions, so I have no clue what way we're going. Okay, we're staying straight apparently. Very nice. And yeah, continuing our lovely walk. With my nan and Firkin. It feels like we're not supposed to be here. I was like a...
Freedom mistake.
Yeah. Lots of grey buildings. And a door. Very nice door.
I so certain to say hi.
Oh. Hi, Firkin. Hi, Nan.
Hi. That's where Paul goes
Hi,
to the
mate.
gym down there.
Paul goes to the
In
gym.
that brown building.
Oh, yeah. You guys won't know who Paul is, but yeah. Cool. It's a bit cool there. I've run out of things to say, so I'm just like, there's this there. Okay, there's people here, so I'm getting embarrassed. Goodbye. Nice barrier.
now.
Good job, buddy. There we go. Ooh, it's watching me. There's just someone in the office looking at me doing that, isn't there? Okay, I'm forcing my nan to film. Let's get across this road first. It's sort of attached to my wrist and I can't get it off because I've got my jumper and my coat over it, but come on then, vlog time.
What have I got to say?
I don't know.
We're now coming towards the end of our walk. I can't believe it's raining. I thought it was going to be a nice sunny day today. Maybe later we'll be luckier. Bye. Oh, I think I did my chin thing, Matt.
Your chin thing?
Like under my chin.
Oh. Yeah, as she said, come to the end of our walk. Someone's having a wave down there. Can you hear that? Oh yeah. Does he? Of course he does. Yeah, that car there. So that's Nan's integration in the vlog. Okay, I'm very wet now. Again, apologies if the lens has got watermarks on it. I'm not actually sure if it does or not. So, yeah, we are here. I don't really know where this is. Cool. Also, sorry if the audio is a bit messed up because the water's got on my wind protector. So, yeah. Don't really know where we are, but apparently we're close to getting back-ish. The what? Oh, right. So yeah, heading down here. There's my nan again. Really worn out now, I need a drink.
Help me. Help me.
No. I just want to say, to me editing this whenever I am, I'm sorry that it's so long. I'm probably going to get really fed up of editing this video. I mean, it's not too bad, is it? But filming it, it feels like it's really long, but thinking about it, I haven't really filmed much on what we've been on, because what you've seen is probably only like a quarter of what we've actually walked. So, yeah. So this is our last leg now, is what my nan says. We're about 4 minutes off getting back, I think. 4? What are we on with?
Alright.
Good morning. How are you doing?
I'm good, thank you. Something to fit.
Yeah, well, trying, yeah.
Joys are going on a walk. There you go. Heading down here. So yeah, coming to the end of this video now, and yeah, right, if you've watched my other videos, you'll recognise this location. What, we're going left or right? Oh, I'm going right because I went left in the other video. Okay, so on that note, I'm going to say thank you so much for watching this video. I've been Callum.
I've been Nanan.
And
Firkin's been Firkin.
yeah. So like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye everybody.